The cost of diesel drip versus the cost of water. I know everybody says water's free. Water's free. Diesel drip is $5 a gallon right now, probably over that, $5.50 a gallon. So I've got 4 gallons in there. I've got 25 bucks worth of diesel in there at $5 a gallon. I got $20 worth of diesel in there, whatever you want to say. And that's expensive, right? But this is going to last me every day milling, 8 hours a day. This is going to last me 6 months. Your water jug at 8 hours of milling, you're probably going to fill up twice a day at 5 minutes a fill up. Takes you to walk to go get your water. Let's say it takes you 2.5 minutes to fill up your gallon jug of water twice a day. So that's 5 minutes a day times 6 months. That's a lot of, I don't know what that is. I should have figured that out before I started this video, but so you got 5 minutes a day because you're filling it up twice a day. 5 minutes a day times 7 days a week times 4 weeks a month times 6 months is 840 minutes divided by 60 equals 14 hours. You've just spent, in 6 months, you just spent 14 hours filling up your water jug times $30 an hour equals $420. I spent $20 on this and 5 minutes filling it up. That's a lot cheaper than water. That's how diesel drip is cheaper than water. I don't know how else you want to figure it.